What's up, everybody? Today, I bought 25 life-saving survival items and every single one cost less than 20 bucks. You never know what could happen. Being prepared isn't just for preppers, it's for everyone. Whether you're stuck in your car, lost on a hike, or facing a blackout, the right gear can mean the difference between life and death. I'll walk you through each item, what it does, and why you need it, without breaking the bank. We're talking fire, water, shelter, signaling, and more. This is one of the most important videos we've made, so pay close attention. Before we start, drop your must-have survival item in the comments. Ready to see what you can get for less than a pizza? Let's go. First up, the emergency Mylar blanket. It looks like foil, but it reflects up to 90% of your body heat. Lightweight, compact, and cheap. Stash one anywhere. If you're stranded in the cold, this turns into your personal furnace. For just a couple bucks, it's a must-have for warmth and survival. Next, water purification tablets. You can only survive a few days without water, but drinking from a sketchy source can make you sick. Drop a tablet in, wait 30 minutes, and you've got safe water. One bottle purifies dozens of liters. Tiny, cheap, and essential. Item 3. A mini LED flashlight. Darkness is dangerous. These are bright, tough, and last for hours. Use it to see, signal, or scare off animals. For under $20, don't get left in the dark. Number 4. The Paracord Bracelet. It's not just a cool accessory. Unravel it for 10-15 feet of super strong rope. Build a shelter, make a snare, fix gear, or even use the inner strands for fishing or sewing. It can hold up to 550 pounds. Wear it on your wrist, and you've got survival rope on demand. It's lightweight, versatile, and could save your life. Don't underestimate this simple tool. Number 5. A pocket first aid kit. Even a small cut can become a big problem if it gets infected. For under $20, get a kit with bandages, antiseptic, gauze, and tape. Treat injuries fast and keep moving. It's non-negotiable. Always have one. Number 6. A ferro rod fire starter. Matches get wet, lighters run out. This works every time, even in the rain. Scrape it for a shower of sparks and start a fire for warmth, cooking, or signaling. Fire is life in survival. For a few bucks, you get thousands of fires. Number 7. A high-decibel emergency whistle. Your voice fades, but a whistle can be heard for over a mile. 3 blasts is the universal distress signal. Tiny, cheap, and could save your life. Number 8. A collapsible water bottle. Hard bottles are bulky. This one folds down when empty. Fill it up, purify your water, and save space in your pack. Lightweight, reusable, and easy to carry. Perfect for any kit. Number 9. A multi-tool. It's a toolbox in your pocket. Pliers, knife, screwdrivers, can opener, and more. Fix gear, prep food, or handle emergencies. Even budget models are packed with features. Versatility is key. Number 10. The emergency poncho. Getting wet can lead to hypothermia. This keeps you and your gear dry. Lightweight, compact, and waterproof. Use it as a shelter, ground cloth, or rain collector. For $1 or $2, it's unbeatable protection. Number 11. A compact compass. GPS can fail. This never does. Know your direction, avoid walking in circles, and find your way out. Learn the basics and you're set. Old school navigation for under $20. Number 12. Duct tape. The legendary fix-all. Wrap a few feet around your water bottle to save space. Patch gear, make a sling, close wounds, or even improvise shoes. It's strong, waterproof, and endlessly useful. If you have a problem, duct tape can probably fix it. Don't leave home without it. Number 13. A mini fishing kit. Catching fish is efficient for food, and these kits are tiny. Includes line, hooks, weights, and maybe a lure. Use a stick or your hand, catch dinner in the wild. Lightweight, compact, and a real morale booster. Number 14, a solar phone charger or power bank. Your phone is a map, light, and lifeline, but only if it's charged. Hang a solar panel on your pack or use a power bank for emergency calls and navigation. Stay connected when it matters most. Modern tech, survival style. Number 15, disposable hand warmers. Cold hands make everything harder and risk frostbite. Open the packet and you get hours of heat. Keep your fingers working and your morale up. Lightweight and long-lasting. Number 16, glow sticks. Not just for parties, they're waterproof, safe, and last all night. Used for light, marking trails, or signaling. No batteries, no sparks, just reliable glow. Simple, cheap, and effective. Number 17, a folding knife. The most fundamental tool. Cut, carve, prep food, or defend yourself. Look for a locking blade for safety. Compact, sharp, and endlessly useful. Don't go without one. Number 18, a signal mirror. Flash sunlight for miles. One of the best daytime rescue signals. Aim with the sighting hole and catch attention fast. Weighs nothing, takes no space. Could be your ticket home. Number 19, a small sewing kit. Gear failure can be a disaster. Fix rips, patch holes, and keep your stuff working. Needles, thread, and a few pins are all you need. Tiny, cheap, and a lifesaver for repairs. Don't let a torn pack ruin your trip. Number 20, mosquito repellent wipes. Biting bugs can drive you crazy and spread disease. Wipes are leak-proof, lightweight, and easy to use. One wipe covers all exposed skin for hours. Stay sane and healthy. Number 21, energy bars. You need calories to think and act. These are compact, high-calorie, and shelf-stable. Quick fuel when you're tired or on the move. Look for a mix of carbs, protein, and fat. Instant energy, instant morale boost. Number 22, a waterproof notepad and pencil. In stress, memory fails. Write down plans, maps, or notes for rescuers. Waterproof paper won't turn to mush in the rain. Pencils work in any weather. Stay organized, communicate, and keep your head clear. Small tool, big impact. Number 23, safety pins. Tiny, cheap, and endlessly useful. Fix clothes, improvise gear, or even use as a fish hook. Pin gear to your pack, make a sling, or dig out a splinter. Throw a handful in your kit. You'll be glad you did. Number 24, Carabiner Clips. Not for climbing, but perfect for organizing and securing gear. Clip your water bottle, flashlight, or food bag to your pack. Rig a shelter or hang gear off the ground. The ultimate connector. And finally, number 25, the bandana. This simple cloth is a survival Swiss Army knife. Use it as a water pre-filter, bandage, tourniquet, sun protection, or pot holder. Signal for help, carry foraged food, or keep cool. Bright colors help with signaling. Lightweight, cheap, and endlessly versatile. Don't leave home without one. That's it, 25 essential survival items, all under $20 each. You don't need to spend a fortune to be prepared. Links to every item are in the description. Start building your kit today. No excuses. Get ready now. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and let us know what survival item you'd add to the list. Your support means everything. What did we miss? Drop your ideas in the comments. Stay safe, be prepared, and see you in the next video.